Okay. Growing beads in this earthy soft skin. See the color brim, it forms a little drop, dancing through rows of this crimson red. It's an effort to find, an effort to bring it out. It's an effort to climb, an effort to bring it down. You found and brought it out, only to come back down. And the morning's over, lost in a bit to calm your mind. And the blood spills over, so you feel something. But the evening's gone, used in a bit to make you happy. Open your skin to give breath to the feeling. Pull into the system as you leave quietly. And stay alone, don't go outside. If you go somewhere, take me. Can't say I'll grow out of it, grow up or drown in it. It's too hard to predict what's next. You can all take bets, but in my head it doesn't matter. You found and brought it out, only to come back down. And the morning's over, lost in a bit to calm your mind. And the blood spills over, so you feel something. But the evening's gone, used in a bit to make you happy. Looking at me like I know just what to do with your mess. I tell you I've not got a clue, but let's start with this eye. I think that you should get dressed. In this case you'll find more is less. So leave them all, they don't care, and you're better on your own. And the morning's over, lost in a bit to calm your mind. And the blood spills over, so you feel something. But the evenings go on, used in a bit to make you happy.